Okay, so this is our new addition. It's not open yet. We will have some commercial vacuums over here. This wall back here is going to be for central vacs. We're going to have several central vacs and toolkits on display and operable. This area over here is going to be Miele vacuums, both uprights and canisters, as well as air cleaners. There'll be some supplies over here, but this is basically, we're adding about twice the showroom space, just so that we get a little bit more elbow room, better area for demonstration. So the LifeLock flooring is a vinyl flooring. It's very similar to what people are going to put into the houses today, and bathroom areas, entryway areas, even kitchen areas. The wood laminate floor is, again, a household grade flooring. It's great to be able to demonstrate on something that is very similar to what you actually have in the home. It shows how the vacuum's working, as opposed to just a commercial indoor-outdoor carpet or a commercial tile that's in every box store in the world.